Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to edit logo and favicon. Log into the backend. Go to Content and Themes. Select your theme. Scroll down. Now delete all default favicons from all devices. Click on Open Media. Drag and drop the logo to the all devices. Now clear the cache from Git Bash. Now go to site and refresh the page to see the changes. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.